Rahim. My today's topic is Maulana Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi. He was a co-founder of Darul Uloom Deoband. Maulana Qasim Nanatawi, who established Darul Uloom Deoband, passed away in 1879, and after him, Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi served as the head of the Darul Uloom Deoband. He passed away in 1908. Okay, I have his book, Tazkirat ar-Rasheed. Just some quotes from that book. Story of a prostitute. Okay, a prostitute did not come to meet his murshad or peer. When asked, she says, I was feeling ashamed. She has a guilty conscience. Then the peer of murshad, that means his spiritual guide, says, there is nothing to be ashamed, because the one who does fornication, and the lady who gives her body for fornication, and the one who made it happen, that is Allah. All are the same. This is the concept of Wahdatul Wujud. That means Allah resides in every person, let it be a prostitute or a human being. Haji Abdul Rahim went on a pilgrimage. On the way in the ship, a glass fell down from his hand. Then, out of nowhere, a hand appeared in the sea and picked up the glass and handed it over to Ibrahim. Okay, and the hand was that of a majzub who was somewhere thousands of miles away in India. Okay, and it was his hand which came out from the sea and picked up the glass and gave it to Abdul Rahim. And they said that Qasim Nanatawi is the bride and Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi is the bridegroom. Rasheed Ahmad Gangohi writes, people who criticize, insult and vilify the Ulamas of the Deen, their faces in the graves are turned away from the Kiblah. How does he know it? I wanted to say it about the Non-Muqallids. Okay. But who knows it? Where will be your face? After some time, it is the skeleton which there is no flesh, nothing. Everything is eaten by the worms. La hawla wa la quwwata. These Sufis and these Deobandis, they have destroyed our religion.